In this video, I will show you how to claim 6,000 orbs in total through various quests that you might have missed. But I've noticed that only because of me, you are getting informed about the new quests, but you guys are not subscribing. Make sure to subscribe after watching this video to get quickest free Nitro and Orbs news. Now, the first is about Discord advertisement on mobile Orbs feature. I know this is an old quest. Just because you have done it doesn't mean others did it too, so shush. I am mentioning about the quests that are still active. A lot of them are expiring this year around. Like this one is expiring on December 28th. The third quest is on Uber. This will expire on December 29th. Today is 27th, basically only 2 days remaining. The fourth quest is from 5 Nights at Freddy 2, which will also expire on December 30th, just a day before the 31st. The fifth quest is from Lore and Legends. From the looks of it, that thing looks like a game. The sixth quest is from the RIP. Looks like it's a Netflix movie or something. This thing will expire on the January 1st, 2026. Then the seventh quest is from Ebony, The King's Return. It will also expire on the same day as the last quest. The eighth quest is also from Discord, which is giving out 200 orbs. The ninth quest is from One State. It will expire on January 8th. That thing has got a lot of time left. Last but not least, this quest is from Netflix Spoils 2025. It will expire on 31st of this month. Make sure to claim all the quests in one sitting. So there we have it. In total, there's 6,000 orbs worth of pending quests. There are a total of 10 quests that you might have not done yet. Now, kindly don't spam in my comment section, that meh. I had already done the quests, or these are old quests. I don't care. I made this video for people who haven't claimed the quests yet. It's like a reminder for them. Therefore, make sure to be respectful. Now, if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now, the reason why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord. Getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the Orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.